Hey Paperton people, today I want to explain how you can get immediate exposure for your flipbook. SEO, search engine optimization, is a process of optimizing your flipbook to get more organic or unpaid traffic from search engines. In other words, you enhance your flipbook by adding descriptions and keywords to make it more attractive to a search engine like Google. Your flipbook will then display at the top of search results. And research shows that the top results of pages like Google receive 95% of clicks. So you need SEO if you want that exposure, and Paperton makes it really easy. Under our Edit tab, give your flipbook a title, a description, and add all important keywords. You can go even further and increase the SEO of your individual pages. Click the Links, Video, and SEO tab to add extra info to every page. This will really supercharge your SEO and ensure you get your views.